So today what important things we gonna be discuss in this session, and that will not only make your resume impressive, also you can build your own any kind of ChatGPT where you can sell to custom, hospitals, doctors, nurse, clinic, some carpentry, some any kind of manufacturing. So how the system work behind the things and how anybody can build. I'm not going to talk about much more, about codings. Okay, I'm not going to go in detail, but I will explain you like how better way you can do, how you better way you can design, the how the auth system work, how the how the ChatGPT style their interface, how you can build for your home, how you can build for your business, how you can implement add this thing in your resume. It will be for sure make your 10x better your resume, because I don't think that apart from e-commerce, maybe few people you will add in this in your resume this kind of project. So today the agenda is, in this session we are going to build our own ChatGPT with the help of AI, with the help of all everything end to end. Okay, front end, back end, okay, auth and streaming, and how conversation history, how chat history work. So I hope this session will be interesting. Is that interesting? Can anybody message, or do you think that it is boring? Is that interesting? I want to see more response. Do you think that it will be helpful? Okay, nice. Guys, so that couple of people I saw from last session, I got that somebody wants in English, somebody wants in Hindi. But see, this coding, nothing, no problem. You can learn in English, or you can learn in coding, any language. So I don't think here, I don't think that language is going to create any problem. So give me just 1 second. Yeah. So before going to that, we'll explain that how we are going to build. So we'll use V0. Okay, V0. This is also kind of, if you will go on internet, okay, v0.dev. So today we are going to explore about this tool, and with the help of this one, we are going to build persona of any apps end to end. And it is also kind of, if you have joined previously, lovable. So here we have some different models. Okay, every different Fable 5. This is the latest, as you can see, Claude Fable 5. So if you will see here a lot of models are there. Okay, so we'll start with anyone, like we'll start with mini, or we'll start with max will consume more token, as you can see here. While you are building anything with the help of AI, whenever you are building anything, make sure remember about one is token, how much token is going, because token is all about the power, token is all about the money, token is all about the infrastructure. So don't burn your token blindly. Okay, so first of all, if you will see here, so here we have multiple segments. Like we have front end, I think I have written already. So we have front end and we have back end. Okay. Does anybody has idea about front end? Does anybody has an idea about front end? Can anyone message in the group? Like, does anybody know any basics? Basics also. No, if you don't know, no problem. Just say in chat yes or no. Just say in chat yes or no. How the front end work? User interface. Okay. Nice. Thanks. Okay, so what exactly is the front end, and why we are going to build our own ChatGPT? How it will be helpful? So guys, you know that whenever in this era, whenever we are going to build any sort of LLMs, everybody wants in their business some AI interaction. Everybody wants like on sort of, fine tune the models. Again, you will think that what I'm speaking. So everybody want that. I want something fine tuning, so that according to my business, it will work. Okay. If you will see that ChatGPT is general purpose, right? ChatGPT, anything it will give you prompt. Okay, purpose. So general. Okay, spelling is wrong. Leave it. So ChatGPT is general purpose. Like there are sort of data which already trained. Okay, and second thing is from web search. If something is there on web search, so that data is also coming, right? So if you will see here, interesting point is this LLMs does not work. Suppose that I have 5 bike, I have 5 cow, I have this thing. So my cow has this thing, my bike has this thing. So they will not identify what is the my core business model. Okay, how many mechanics I have, how many something I have. So they will not understand. That time this fine tuning comes into picture whenever we are building any high level transformer or any high level. Okay, so fine tuning means we will take sort of data, we will take our own data, and we will feed data to the feeding. Okay, we will feed data to AI. What is AI? AI is kind of brain. Suppose that we have our human brains, right? In the similarly, we need to put data in a raw form. Okay, JSON. I'll show you also. So how we need to put create one JSON structure. Suppose that I'm creating a user response for the fine tuning the model. So create one structure user and normal AI also. Create 2 raw version. Sit. Create some JSON format. Assume that I am talking with AI. AI is also talking. So create some JSON format for that. So guys, from here you will understand better how JSON will work and how AI interact while we are fine tuning. So before going to all of these things, you need to understand this very core principle. Okay, if you can understand this thing in AI era, you can build anything. You can build your own sort of data. You can build own sort of. So if you don't know coding, don't worry. Just understand high level. This is the title. What is this thing? AI conversation, right? This is the title. This is the title kind of user. What is this? This is user. So whenever we are talking with the AI as a human, this is the interaction one, where this is the format. Every time they will pass ID role content, ID role content, ID role content, and this is also kind of another structure where in sort of some curly braces. Don't worry about what is object, what is a property, something. Don't worry. Just understand that high level how AI is talking with the machine. If you will see here, one time it is saying user means I will say something to the AI. I will say to my own ChatGPT, okay, I am saying. Second time he will say me like he is the AI. Are you getting? So here there is 2 role. Understand first of all. Okay, one is AI, one is user, and one is the your assistant. Are you getting my points? One is again user, one is again assistant. Whenever somebody is responding anything, based on that LMs, that AI or whatever is easy for you to understand, based on that they will behave. Suppose that if you are throwing ball, does anybody play cricket here? Does anybody play cricket here? Any message in the chat? Suppose that if you are throwing ball, so somebody should be able to catch, right? If you will not throw ball, nobody will take a catch, right? In the similar way, if you are passing data to AI, so AI will understand that, LLMs will understand that, okay, this is the user, and what is the content? Content means intention. Our human, we have intention now. We want 2 rupee chocolate, we want food. So this is the content. Okay. Similarly, another parameters. This is the another request. This is the assistant. Now what will happen? Assistant is replying to us this content. Okay, I think you are getting my points. Are you getting my points? First thing we are passing role content timestamp, which time we are talking, what is the content, what is the my role, what is the user ID. And second thing, AI assistant is responding. Okay, AI assistant means, suppose that I am saying, can you help me to learn Python? This is user. Now AI is saying that, of course, what topic in Python you want to learn. So this is the one conversation history. Are you getting? One kind of chatting first time. Again, another initiation from user side. Explain with me. Suppose that I am talking with a ChatGPT. This is my simple ChatGPT. So this is the one thing I am saying to AI. Now AI is returning this thing. Okay. So this is the one I am giving. AI is giving. So in the similar way, this is the two conversation. Means in one conversation, both is same. In one conversation, two time user is chatting, two time AI is chatting. Okay. So if you will understand here whenever we are talking with any person, okay, until unless you will say that who are you will not showcase Aadhaar card, you will not showcase PAN card, passport, or any kind of evidence like how we discussed last time, or custom prompt. People will not understand that this AI especially will not understand what you are trying to talk exactly, who is your targeted audience, and what outcomes you want from here. So in similarly way, in similar here, whenever we are building this complex robust system, okay, even though you don't know AI, you can build this thing, just follow. So here if you will see that everything is easy, anybody can go to the chat GPT, anybody can talk here, okay, anybody can build their own, anybody can understand, okay, how the chat GPT. But people don't know the how exactly rack system is working behind. Is there anybody who is noting down whatever I'm teaching? Is there anybody who is learning from this session? Are you observing anybody properly here? Can anybody respond if you are observing? So yeah, okay, nice. So here how things will work. Here how things will work. In the similar way, whenever this complex system is there, just break into multiple parts. Okay, multiple parts. Suppose that a chunk CHUN, yes, okay, leave it. Suppose that here front end, okay, front end, everybody know we have what we have, HTML. Another what we have, can anybody respond me what is the front end? Can anybody respond me what is the front end? What technology we have to use? Does anybody know about front end? Nice, Neha. Does anybody know other? Does anybody know? Okay. Does anybody know? Nice. Good. Great, Nitin. Nice side. Yeah. Super. So if you will see here, here we have client, right? Here we have server. Great. Nice. Thanks for Likita and all Srikant. So if you will see this thing, so all these things comes for skeleton, functionality, JavaScript for functionality. This is for UI, color, border. If you are seeing here, this kind of color is there. Okay, image tag. So this is coming from because of client side. Okay, responsive thing, Redux for data, React for this thing. Next.js also server side rendering, but yeah, we can assume Tailwind CSS. So all this comes because of front end. Okay, but if you will think about backend, see before building our own ChatGPT, understand the behind the scene, because we can build this thing into 20 minutes, but you don't know how the system is working. I can give you the bike, you can take the bike, you might get the accident. Are you getting my points? But here the thing is, if you will understand the fundamental, maybe you might think that this is kind of boring things. Understand the fundamental, and based on that, you also build for your business, for your requirement, for your interview, for your, I think you are getting right. So first part come here, front end, okay, where mostly we will build a UI, we will build, client side, we will build all using so many things is there, a kind of, this is the my favorite. So so many bootstrap, okay, so many things is there. Again, what is the next? We have backend. What is the backend? Can anybody respond? What is the backend? What is the backend? Does anybody know? What is the backend? Does anybody know in this session today? Does anybody know? Nice versus database. Yeah, security. Nice. Okay, right. Great. So if you will see here, Backend in short, we can say that somewhere is server in the sense we are deploying somewhere, and it is not visible. But whenever we are doing something now, first of all it will hit to the backend itself. For example, if you will go to the network tab, and if you will see here, whenever I'm doing anything here, if I'm searching anything now, I don't think it will work because my login, yeah, okay, leave it, even though it is failing. So see, this is the API endpoints. Okay, here we are passing some payload data. Okay, payload means we are passing something. What is the payload? Payload might be this one. Okay, payload might be this one, this data. Visual machine performance. Yeah, correct. Likita Reddy, nice, super. Guys, everybody respond, everybody learn, everybody enjoy whatever I'm trying to guide. So here, what happened? Mostly, it is kind of interaction between client and server using payload. So this is your client and server interaction. Okay, but if you will see here, what exactly is this? I will take one small example. So this is the kind of whatever I told, you are throwing ball, somebody should be able to catch. So here what you are doing, client, you already know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this thing, Django, Supabase, Backend, Node.js, this is your server. But how this will work? I will come to AI also, I will come to other module also, don't worry. So how it will work? We are passing this thing now. So whenever we are passing any sequence or any data, there will be server who will catch your request as a payload. Don't get fear. Don't think that I don't know about this thing. What is this thing? And here, what will happen? Always your server will respond some status code. If it is fail, as you can see, it is fail. It will showcase something. Okay, and from here status will be there, like, yeah, I received the catch, I received your points, okay, failed this thing. So inside, what I'm trying to say, if you are throwing something, server will store, server will catch, and server will pass to database to store the collection, to store the things. Am I talking properly or I'm going more technical? I think okay na. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? I think I'm talking in normal, right? Nice. So here, if anybody you are not able to understand my language, or if I'm going very high, if I'm going, very speed, you can message in the chat. I will try to manage. Okay, I will try to. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है, like what we are passing some payload, it will showcase the preview. Okay, this is the things, and it will showcase the response. Okay, better way we can see in our system. So I hope you understood that what is the client and how it is interacting client and server, and in between, in between payload is the game. Payload means taking something and throwing, taking, like you are going to airport, you are going to railway station. So in trolley bag, you will take the clothes, right? If you don't have trolley, or whatever is the luggage, you can't catch your clothes. So all these are clothes. If you will see here, this is one shirt, this is one pant. Okay, every conversation is one unit. Okay, so whenever you are collecting all these things, we need to take this thing as a wrapper, and we need to put in inside a bag. What is the bag? Payload is your bag. Your you can consider your flight, your train is server, or your flight is database, something like that. But payload is kind of, we are taking and we are passing to server, and they will respond. Till here, is that any question? Anybody has any question? Whatever I explained, front end, back end, client. Till here, anybody question? If there is any question, comment. Is there any question? Comment. Any question? Comment. Yes, I have. Comment if there is any question. Okay. Next phase, we will discuss about. Next phase, we will discuss about the models. The models. Okay. Auth, I think I will give just basic idea. So auth is kind of, we have providers. Okay, we have provider. What is the provider? Provider in the sense, we have Google provider, we have some Clerk, we have Clerk, and we have so many. Firebase is there, and so many. And we can also use our own email, we can also use our own JWT token, we can also use, so many system is there. Okay, so high level, suppose that whenever we are building some system now, if you will see now, so I am logging here, that's why I'm able to use this system. In the similar way, if I will not log in, this system will give some free limit, and after then they will throw me out. So to use and secure, I am not robot, I'm not AI, we need to build some private route. What is the private route? Private route is only limited routes will be accessible. Who is the verified user? Not including any cloud system. Yes, we will talk next we will talk. So limiter. Okay, so if we are building any private route, so what will happen after reaching the limit, or just to understand that whether no robots should use this thing or they must have to log in. So here some if you will see here admin, or if you will see here chat history, if you will see here HIS chat history, and so many pages will be there. Okay, conversation history, okay, logs. So what is the advantage of auth? Why we are building, why this layer is coming into products? Okay, password saved manager, yeah, correct. So if you will see here, the agenda is like whenever we are building this any system, log in log out, why we are building. So anytime if somebody is talking, anytime any conversation is happening, so we need to also say something. Is this user ID? What is the ID? Suppose that in this session somebody name is Likita. Okay, Likita. So what will happen? Likita ABC 12. So this is a user ID for Likita. But if you will see here, Vasant or Varsist, am I pronouncing Varsist something? Okay, sorry if I'm Varsist. So if I'm writing Varsist, now what will happen? Varsist will be the new user and with the unique role, right? So whenever we are talking with the models, whenever we are talking with the AI or system, or whenever we are writing bike, we need our own key, right? In the similar way, this is kind of primary key in database. Don't understand. If you are not getting, don't confuse what is the primary key, foreign key, all these things, part of database. We'll discuss separate. Now understand just high level. So this is kind of suppose that if you are going to start your bike, you need bike key. So if you are going to talk something now, so you need to say to your backend system or AI models like yes, this is the unique person, and we are going to interact with the data. Okay, so that's it, you can understand. And whenever we are doing any conversation, whenever we are doing any chat system, whenever we are building any kind of log, we need to check. So with the help of this ID, with the help of this primary key, we can also identify, right? So this part is done, right? Next, what is the next AI? What is the AI? So we have so many models. Okay, if we want to build our own, we can also build. So we have some free models also there, and we have our own existing model also there. So suppose that I told you if you are planning to build your own models, right? So there will be higher complexity. Higher complexity means we need to design our own transformer. We will need to build our own, kind of high level system design, how the things is working, how to properly the things will work. So here what we will do as of sort, we will take any models, open source model, and with the help of this thing, we will build and we will fine tune, so that what will happen, it will work according to your business requirement, and it will understand that what session, what is the memory, what is the reloading message, and what is the current, what is the current message, and what was the previous message. So see, whenever you are trying to talk with AI is not going to talk easily until unless you are giving some clue, until unless you are giving some some sort of data, and some sort of previous history, I can say, right? So here how the things will work. Every time whenever we are talking, so it will consider like as a prompt token. Okay, prompting token. What is this token? So this token, if you will see here, whenever we are talking here, so some models was there. Okay, not here, I think in front screen, if you will see here models. Okay, open source model will be there. So what is the use case of that model? Does anybody has idea? What is the use case of that model and token? How the token work? Does anybody has idea in this room? Can anybody respond that? How the models? Does anybody? Okay, no problem. If you don't know, just message anything. Okay. Coming to main things. What we are going to do here? First of all, we'll start. I think most of. Sorry. Does anybody wants to say anything? So almost we have explained here the how the chat history work, how streaming this will be kind of live. We can see speech 1, 2, 1. So this will be kind of streaming where we can also talk with a live to AI. You know that everybody has fonts. So in font, some Gemini, some ChatGPT. So this is kind of streaming where you can talk and multiple conversation. So many things is there where we need to break down and we need to build. So in short, that if you will see here how the system work, we need to create sort of if you will go here, so here I don't have any projects. Okay, so let's suppose that I'm creating some does anybody has any idea? Suppose that email writing. So here what I'm doing in ChatGPT, I'm creating these projects, right? Now, if you will see here inside projects, this is the one projects. Now what will happen? Just listen. Assume that I am HR of the company. Every time I am filtering a student based on the email, and every day I'm writing the email. So can you write some custom better prompt for me so that I will put into my ChatGPT project, and every time they should follow same structure whenever I'm writing. So write a project scope. See here I have given to ChatGPT. It will create some kind of very curated. See here. So this is the project scope. What I will do here, it is kind of showcasing to you how exactly projects work, how exactly okay. So if you will see now, I'll copy and I'll paste it over here. Okay. So see here. So here we have instruction. Okay. What is the instruction? Why I'm giving this instruction? This project will work according to you. Are you getting my points? Am I making sense? Previously, this projects was something they will write every time. Now I have created this inside projects. I have created some sort of not fine tune, but I'm trying to explain how this will work before building our own system, before building fine tuning. So same thing here, ChatGPT also they have given the projects. If you have any specific data, you can fine tune also. Okay, you can fine tune and you can pass some sort of if you will see here, you can pass some sort of data and you can put it based on that. Now every time whenever you will give any instruction like write one email for me, I want to hire one candidate, write some sort of email. See here, so I'm giving this data now, so it is also kind of considering from the project scope. And if you will see interesting thing, so they will follow this format. Okay, now if I will open another scope from here. Okay, if I will say here if I will go inside the same projects, I will say here write one project's prompt. I want to send this thing to some principal or sort of some another person, write one email for me. So see, again I'm creating another prompt inside the same projects. If you will see here, each following the same format, each following the, if you are not getting me, you can also try. So in short that, see, don't go much more deeper, go to your main projects and understand that if you will see from here, this email writing, this project name I have kept, you can keep anything. So this was your instruction. You define the role, you are the HR, you given the objectives. You can also give here objective, don't do this thing, do's don'ts. You can give to ChatGPT also do's don'ts. Always identify candidate name, this thing, company, HR, this thing. Okay, whatever is running in your mind, just randomly I created. Okay, I haven't meant much more detail, but understand that how it is very helpful. We can fine tune the existing models, and based on that they will do our work, and based on that it will be helpful for us. Suppose that this Gemini, you are building some sales people. Okay, this ChatGPT, this ChatGPT you are building for some sales people. What you will do at the time, you will give some custom fine tune custom data to fine tune models, right? You will give some sales, how they are talking, how they are generating the script, or marketing team, or maybe for your schools, or maybe any kind of business. If you have anything, what you will do, you will take the all data, and you will put it inside here AI. What is the AI? Here we have sort of so many models as there. Okay, so then what will happen, it will understand what is the your requirement, whether you are putting sales agent, you are building marketing funnel, any kind of, you are building any kind of HR, or however I created here generally. But again, it is deployed on some ChatGPT sort of I have created. So from here, if you will see that I explain the prompts, I explain here front end, I explain here back end. Okay, now I was talking also, I explained the auth. I was talking about AI. Just give me 1 minute. I think my battery is now. Yeah. Give me just 1 minute, please. Yeah, so coming to our main thing. So if you will see in this entire system, now I'm leaving the whole before developing. If you will see here, what we have learned till now, we are passing something from front end. Okay, it will go, data will go to your backend, because backend need to process, and it will fetch through front end endpoints, and then backend will understand based on the API key, like which sort of models you are using, whether we are using ChatGPT, Gemini, or any kind of. Suppose that OpenAI we are using. Okay, we are passing keys. We are passing keys between this one and this one. Suppose that we have any kind of sort of um, keys, whether you can use Gemini or any kind of. So from here, what we are doing, we are collecting some keys, and we are passing to some specific models. Okay, we are passing to some specific model. Now what will happen, this model will be considered as kind of what is the requirement of business, like why they have created. Suppose that I have created this thing, I have created my own ChatGPT that will only work for sales. I have created my own ChatGPT that will only work for HR. So if you will see here, this model will be kind of a brain in any sort of game, in any sort of idea or business requirement. This will understand what is the request, and it will return the response already I'm throwing. So somebody will catch, and it will process, and it will give us the response will be again how it will return to the front end, return it will through back end. Okay, so if you will see here, yeah, if you will see here, I'm sending this thing now, so it is going through all process, so it is returning this thing. Now again, you need to sort of here implement your backend API, or if it is not verified, if your keys is not valid, so it will not return your through backend. I hope I'm making sense, right? Then what we will do, with the help of HTML, with the help of CSS, with the help of all this client side basics language, we will try to surface. So this is the kind of high level picture how the things work, okay, and how we can build our own customized prompts. So what we will do, we will start with now all the things we have done, how the things is working, what is the persona, how other things will work. So we'll go here and we'll create a new projects, we'll create new charts, and we'll give some basics prompt, so that what we can give here. So I want to build a one ChatGPT clone with the help of sidebar, message area, input box, and dark theme responsive layout. So could you please draft me a project scope, where I want to use V0 or I want to use Frontend, use anything, but write a prompt in very short so that I can build my own ChatGPT clone. So see, I have given here the prompt. Okay, I have given here the prompt. Again, same way, whenever you are building any projects, now use ChatGPT at least to break down the scope of the project. Don't just go into, see here, they have given build a modern AI ChatGPT. Okay, inspired by ChatGPT with a premium Apple inspired minimal, okay, UI. So if you will see here, ChatGPT created for me the requirement, the scope. I have given just a small line, okay, and it is giving the what should be in left side, what should be in main area, what should be in the bottom, okay, what are the features should be there, what are the components should be there. So if you will see here, they have given. But do you think that I will copy and I will paste there? Do you think that it will work? No. So here what we will do, we will say again, see, the better you are giving input to AI, na, suppose that you are building with the help of V0, or you are building with the help of any XYZ, any entire projects, whatever we have mentioned here. If better inputs you are not getting, if you are not putting better inputs, you will not get better outputs, right? So better go here and again ask them properly. Suppose that you have to go Mumbai, but you some train ticket, they will give you ticket for Delhi. How you will go Mumbai? Are you getting my points? Could you please make my project scope very clearly? I want to use here OpenAI or any sort of models with the help of V0, whatever is comfortable, whatever is sync properly. So write project scope in a such a way, front end, back end, and authentication layer, everything should be covered. See, I given to revamp the idea. Okay, I given so that ChatGPT, they will do mistake, they will burn our token, they will waste our time also. Okay, so yeah, now if you will see here, somewhat they have improved. Okay, right. So if you will see here, again they are giving very high level tech stack. See, any requirement if you have now, you build like this, for sure you will save your time. Front end, what is the back end? Guys, are you enjoying this session? Are you enjoying what is the building, how to build any products? Are you enjoying what is the front end, what is the back end? Does 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 anybody follow? Could you please mute yourself? Otherwise, if I will see more than 2-3 times, I will remove you, I will block you, you will not join next time. So please don't create any problem. So guys, see here clearly how they explain the front end, how they explain the scope of a backend, how they are explaining database, authentication, everything. I don't know. Assume that I don't know anything. What is the Vercel? What is the AWS? What is the things? They are saving the timing, and not only saving the times, authentication modules, dashboard layout, main side chat, input area. Okay, what will be the system prompt? See here completely, guys. Conversation management, how the conversation, how it will happen. Okay, but this is very high level. We should not build everything at once. We should go with the small by small. Okay. So now this project scope is ready now. Now see again what I will do. Write very short prompt from the above instruction so that I can use in V0, make it very curated, very precise. Only I can use in V0 to build this entire system. and I just want to interact with the models, and I just want to showcase somebody where people can interact and assume that this agency is kind of principal of a school. Yeah, obviously, and whenever a student is talking with this model, so every time principal will take the decision. If student health is good, then they will give kind of exam, holiday or leave they will allow. Otherwise they will not allow if some reason is not some genuine. So build this kind of models, fine tune that custom prompt in this way, and draft me properly so that in V0 I can use this thing. Guys, this is going to be very important thing. See, I told that what is the my requirement and what will be the custom prompt. Now see, based on the project scope, this is the correct project what I like. Okay, front and back end already I have discussed here. And now see here, they have created very very curated prompts for me. Nothing, no need to waste my time. Build a full stack AI chat system called Principal with cleans and this one and style, all these things, TypeScript. See everything. Okay. Now what is AI should act like school principal. A student can submit a leave request. Example why they need to exam and leave. See what we will do. I will copy this thing and I'll go to here and I'll paste here. I will paste here, okay. And they will ask some keys. I will not give now. I want to showcase here the failure, when I will fail and when you will correct, when you will fail, because you should not think that even though I haven't prepared for the session, whatever I'm building, generally I got the thought and I'm trying to build. So see, I given here. Now V0 is going to ask me everything. V0 is going to fine tune the models also, custom models. This will be again high level. We can do in our cursor, we can do in our anti-gravity, we can pull the code base. The agenda is understand the how V0 will work and how we can see here. Can you send me the prompts? Yeah, prompts, right? Who wants prompt? Prompts you can do later also. Where should I send prompts? Okay, I think everybody you are able to see, right? I have sent prompt. Now enjoy girl. Okay, so yeah, right. So see, they're asking something. What is the Supabase? Did I discuss here? What is the Supabase? Supabase. Yeah, Supabase is kind of where your data, your ORM or your CRM, whatever you can understand, it will go and install. So it is asking me to install. I will click on install. Nothing. See here, it will do jobs for us. It will do jobs, high level jobs for us. And I will showcase you the how real prompts, where the real prompts will be there, how based on key model is interacting. Guys, learn to build the system, learn to how to build the system, not just build a software, not just learn the codings. Understand how the real things is working. Understand that how until unless we are passing this key, this model will not interact. Anything is happening because of tokens. Okay, if this, there will be who's creating noise. So if here we are not where I was, yeah. So see here, background it is doing for us. So what I'm trying to say, if you don't have fuel in your bike, you can't go with the bike. Okay, even though you have keys, even though you have so many keys or something. But if means if you have models, sorry, if you have models, until unless you are running in your local system, if you have fuel means here token we can say, or keys we can say. Yeah, I think it is done. So if you will see here, now the project is ready and it is also asking me, these are the all things I have built for you, and it is asking me to build. If I will click on build, so it will run the projects and it will search and showcase here. If I want to change anything, I can change. So for sake of simplicity, I'll go this thing. and later you can customize. But guys, everybody please build this thing and share on your LinkedIn, and it will be very very helpful for you for sure. I'm saying that. See, now it is building. First of all, based on the prompts, uh, it is trying to understand my what is the product scope and what exactly I'm trying to build. So everybody, you also today in your home or whenever you are free, understand. Okay, understanding deeper also. If anything you haven't understood, like what is this thing, just understand high level. Don't go much more coding. Understand first of all how the system is working. After then learn whatever is the requirement. Don't learn full system. Learning is best. Learn and use. Learn and use. This is the my principle. If you are not using, then don't learn. No use case, then don't learn. Waste time, waste. No learning. Okay, no use, no learning. Don't learn. So coming to here, the task. See here, now it is asking that to create some schema. Schema means whenever some conversations, I'll make it along. I'll talk later here. So suppose that whenever we are talking with AI now, so what schema will do? Schema will be kind of table. Okay, so it will store some set of row, raw, row, whatever is that, and column. So if you will see that records, whenever somebody am passing message, that will consider as a records one. Okay, if you will pass, that will consider as a records two. Okay, suppose that I am chatting with the ChatGPT now, so I'm talking with ChatGPT. So this is the record one. This will be your one row. Again, it is returning. This will be second row. This is I'm passing. This will be third row. This is I'm passing. This will be the fourth row. So in short that if we are creating database, then only we can record the history. Then only we can store whatever you are talking, whatever I am talking. Means based on your requirement, my requirement, machine will dance, machine will do jobs for you. If you don't know properly what to do, okay, then it is problem. Okay, see here, again I haven't written any single line of code. With the help of V0, I'm just creating high level principle kind of chat GPT. This was the just randomly I got some idea. So I'm building this kind of principal AI chat GPT. But again, you can also build some sort of web search also, where it will do the all general purpose, like it will fetch OpenAI, it will fetch all models, and apart from that, web search also you can build. So if you will see from here, yeah, so if you will see here, see, we have so many models. We have so many models available on internet. Okay, which model, how much parameter we required. Okay, input tokens. Okay, what is the output? What is the max? What is the models? Any single model based on your requirement. If you want to use bike, you can sit 2 person. If you want to use something for luxurious, you have to take Ferrari. In the similar way, if you want a bigger, you have to go with better model according to what is the context, what is the requirement of that. So here I'm taking some general purpose. For sure we can showcase also. We can showcase now. It is running, so it is starting. So again, we can see here code base. We can download the same, like however we have downloaded with anti-gravity, however we have downloaded. So if you will see here, they took some kind of gateway, AI gateway API. So from here we can see like what models they are using. Okay, V0 runtimes. See, this is kind of Supabase data. So see, this is kind of middleware. I hope few people know about what is this middleware and how the things is working. I think we are running out of time. Okay, it will take more times. Okay, so I'm going to till then explain about yeah. So if you will see here, this is kind of all configuration, all local, okay. And this is kind of all what we are ignoring. It should not push to server. It's this file whenever we are pushing to GitHub or any kind of. And this is kind of some structure of the component and what will be the folder structure, what alias they will treat whenever we will write. We no need to import. We no need to, you know, dot 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 slash dot dot dot. So in coding, always people will get headache. Okay, middleware will be kind of more configuration where server and client will interact properly, so we can write what to consider something like that. Okay, this thing you can ignore, this thing you can also ignore, no uses. This thing you no need to worry more, because whenever you will do any npm install, any models, any sort of keys you will do, like shadcn, okay, lucid react, Supabase configuration, sdk, any, all the packages will come here. So you no need to worrying about what is this package. And this is kind of again pnpm. So this is kind of detail of every package versions, how it is working. And this is post css. So whenever you are implementing anything, so we can write here also. If you will see here side by side, he is also doing something for me. If you will see here, so it is building. And ts configure, if you are using typescript for us, so typescript, all the configuration, all ESLint, all typescript, like, you know, bigger, mostly if after 5-6 years of engineering your life, if you are building some product now, and most of the rover system people, they are using very less JavaScript. Mostly people is using in production TypeScript. If good projects, whatever I work in my experience till now. But again, JavaScript, TypeScript, it is kind of superset or subset, we can say, where we need to define type, alias, and enum and sort of things. You don't worry if you don't know this terminology and all these things. And again, this is public, where you will keep all the pictures and all those static files. So we don't need to go in more depth. Lib is nothing. You can define your own custom hooks, custom functions, custom whatever things is going. Again, we will talk all these things. If you are not getting, no problems. So this is types, as I already told. Interface and alias we have to define. Interface is kind of which kind of object will be there. So we are defining string, number, variable, okay, number, user assistant. So lot of things is there where what we are doing, we are defining. And this is your custom prompt, guys. And welcome back everyone. You can watch, this is your custom prompts and how your AI is going to work. The same message every time. Your this message, whatever you will write, based on that your AI will behave with you. They will do, they will stop do's, don'ts, or whatever you are trying to say. Okay, maybe I'm not getting proper words now, but this is the main player in your entire your fine tuning or whatever you are doing. This is kind of principal, you know, prompts. What will happen, we will import this all text wherever model is there. And where model will be there, mostly in component or somebody, we are going there also, chat models. So this model will be passed to the, this prompt will be passed to exact chat. As I already mentioned, if you are building sales, suppose that you are building sales ChatGPT, or you are building doctor ChatGPT, you are building your sort of principal ChatGPT. So you need to say custom prompt. What is this custom prompt? This custom prompt is your principal. See here, your principal, high school principal. Your role is evaluate student results or leave examination, something like that. Core responsibility: listen empathetically to students. Ask. So you can read in your home. I don't have time to read. So guys, if you will see here how beautifully AI generated for you a prompts, and from here we can explore here also. Some work is going on, I guess we can see. But most of the coding, as you can see, that how it is easy, and how you can build your own requirement, how you can, you know, build and deploy. This is the components. Okay, these are the components. Component is kind of sub module. Suppose that this particular div you are able to see now. So this is kind of one component. Okay, this window, this is entire window. In this window, so many things is there. This is one component, is small label tag, HTML tag is there. Okay, and this is another tag, this is another section, this is one big section. So component, in the sense, whenever we are building any coding now, whenever we are building, so we need to write code base in very beautiful way. or so many structure is there, not iframe likita. So components is all about, so many structure is there, like atomic code structure. So if you will see here, so many code structure is there where we need to follow the patterns. Like we need to build some kind of, big small big thing will be pages. I think everybody you are able to see, right? So this will be the pages. We will build only one time pages. We will build templates. We will build organics. Okay, we will build molecules. We will build atoms. Atoms means very small. See, this is one atom. In entire projects we will build only one atom. This is buttons. So see, what is buttons? This is kind of mixture of multiple atoms. One is text, one is icon, and one is this thing, this background bg. So this will be kind of molecules. Now this multiple molecules, this is navbar, so we will consider as an organism. Now multiple templates, suppose that this one and this section, so we will consider a kind of template, or we can also consider cards. So many structure is there. I'll not take more times because we need to understand our own vision. So here the thing is, every time whenever you are building components, if you will, once you will become senior level engineer na, at the time you no need to write every time input tag. Also input tag, does everybody know input tag? What is input tag in html? Does anybody know? Don't know? Could you please message in the chat? I don't know input tag. Could you please message in the chat? I don't know input tag in html. Does anybody know or don't know? Okay. Okay, coming to our main. So see here, input tag, message, taking input from user. Yeah, nice. Thanks for respond, Sneha. Everybody please respond so that I will think that you are getting me or you are not getting me. Otherwise, I will think I'm speaking in air. So here, if you will see here, somewhere models will be there. This message is passing to the models, and here somewhere your main pages will be there. So based on that, yeah, app. So based on this layout, based on here, if you will see here, I think loading or not, go to our main application. Working on 6. Some problem. User input. Yeah, user input, correct. So guys, as you can see, this is your principal AI ChatGPT, and I'm going to see first time login, see how it will work, where it will break, and what problems will come. I don't know. So guys, as you can see that how your internal things is working and how the code structure and all those things are working. This is the real life example, guys. You should build like this and you should deploy on your own server. Use Vercel. You can pull from here also. Okay. And you can download zip. I think it is taking the content is block, contact to the site. Okay, nice. So build your own self. I don't know, some error or something is coming. I need to check from here console. Anytime error is coming, don't worry, don't get afraid or any kind of coding and debugging is the part of the life. Only the game player is, if there is no bug, then you are not software engineer. Then you are just doing copy paste something. Okay. Okay, let's go with another. We'll not go auth provider. We'll go with some user email ID. Okay, I will say sunny123@gmail.com, because password 1234567 8. See how much I am lazy. I'm trying to put 1234567 8. It is not working. 12367 8. Okay, done. Change your password. Done. Guys, as you can see here, there is some problems. Now I need to log in. Sunny, what was my past email? Does anybody know? Does anybody remember what was my past email? Not confirm. Sunny. What I gave my email? Does anybody know? Sunny. Does anybody know? Password. Valid. Hey, I don't know what I given. I forgot. Okay, but we can also see here our database. If my password will be here now, not here. No thanks. Create another one, two. Create another's. Create another. See how much quickly I forgot. So guys, you need to remember what you are building and what is the your. See here. So this is okay. Again, I need to log in because the time I just register, and we can customize. If you will see here that private route open. Today I discuss about private routing. Okay, I think there is some problem. Okay, there is some problem. I will say here. Even though I'm able to log in, my private route is not able to visible to me after successfully verified. So could you please quickly fix this error, like it is showcasing email not confirm, something like that? Window message is coming. Wow. So see here, I have given this thing, but you saw that how beautifully it is coming for you, and how you can build your own ChatGPT. What is the project standard? Okay, what is the database? You can see from here the database. Okay, it is kind of one is for message, one is for conversation. Message means whenever you will message. So from here, guys, you can do everything that has potential. See, it is asking for RLS policy, means for Supabase or this kind of SQL, we need to do mapping. Who can access this thing? So that's why this issue was coming. I know, that's what I'm saying. So RLS policy updated now. Okay. So if you will see here, so these are your kind of backends. This is your code and this is your backend, where each time's message will be stored, like what interface, what you are talking, how you are talking. Okay. And you can also see here, just give some time. So you can also see here which timing, how much token is expiring. Okay, which conversation. Okay, this is your SQL query. You can filter out also, like which guy who talk, which timing talk. Okay, which so many things we can do based on that. But in short, what I'm trying to say, this is your tables. We can create our own user table, conversation table, message table, history table, the session. So many things we can create based on a clicks table. Okay. Clear browser, control shift or delete. He's just saying something to me, so I need to go here, and I need to control shift delete clear browser cache. I need to refresh once. Let's see. I hope it should work very quickly, because we are running very out of time. So, but I hope you are learning, and how the things work behind. You can also build in your college, or if you are looking for. Is there anybody who can build this system by today's system? Is there anybody who got the confidence and you can build the today's system, whatever you have learned? Is there anyone? Please message. Yes, I can do. Yes, I can do. Please message. Who can build? Please message. Yeah, I'll go here. Yes, Sri Kirti, super. Is there anyone? Sriram, can you build this thing? Is there anyone? Nitin, can you build this thing? Can you build? Nice, nice. I'm very happy. So here I think there is some services. 12 at the rate. Let's create fresh account. Let's go with a new password. Let's go with a new confirm password. And I hope email delete or AR. Okay. Okay, I think it is taking time. Or we can bypass also for a couple of seconds. But guys, I think you are getting the points how it is working. Here the problem is authentication system. Okay, and you can build here. If you want to bypass how the things is working, how the login system is working, we can also bypass, and I will bypass now for you, so that you should feel happy. And I will just comment this thing, and I will just comment out this thing. So this is your page from where you can see your message, and you can see your chats. Okay, and let's push this thing to directly chat. See, no, this can't directly hit to this, and see here. So understand the how system is working. Again, don't try to Acha, it is asking me to save. First of all, comment this line and build copy and paste this, because we don't want to log in now, we don't have time, and save this thing, and go to UI and hit this chat. Why it is not coming? Okay, it is committing. It is committing. Let's see. Okay, changes done ho gaya. Now we'll refresh. We will refresh. Come. Nice. Yeah. So I will say here. Array, why Natak? This again Natak is coming. Chat. Layout. Is there any login? Okay, I think you can fix this thing. This is not a big deal. Understand how the API, how the auth module is working. Router, go to router. Okay, and first of all, you hide this thing and keep it directly chat, so that I will not waste my time in logging and fixing this is small things, and go and save this thing, and now it will automatically redirect to the chat. But guys, are you getting like how I'm trying to fix quickly? In the similar way you should also do. Okay, so now see, I will try to do something. I will try to open. Again, it is not coming. Chats, let's go to the chats. Let's see here, is there any direct URL model? See here, it is passing to your prompts, your principal prompts. So guys, as you can see here, you have defined previously some prompts. So this is your prompts, like how it will talk and what they will consider. Means understand this thing. I will leave this because it is taking now time. But guys, please, everybody build this thing. I hope you understood how the system is working. Some login authentication properly, you pull to your local system. Okay, maybe better time I will explain, because now we are running out of time. Okay, so I will pull, like everybody pull this thing, build on v0. It is very simple. Most of the things they have done for me. Okay, just log in, you try to fix this thing, pull to your local. Okay, and build according to your requirement. Give your system prompt, whatever I have done here, do for yourself, and build instructions. Suppose that if you want to build something, you're doing your family or your office, some common thing, so give this instruction. This instruction will be passed to here. Okay, this instruction will be passed to here. If you will see here, principal system, how it is coming, importing from utils lab. Are you getting my points? Everybody, are you getting my points, what I'm trying to say? Is there anybody has doubt, any question, what we have done? Does anybody has any question? Ask me. Does anybody has any question? Please, so I will repeat once again. Today we have explored. Okay, you go and you fix this thing. I'm giving you task, fix, build and fix thing. Today we have discovered how we can build our own ChatGPT system. But again, you have to run and you check here. This is very easiest thing. Okay, you give the prompts. However, ChatGPT is working for sure. It will work. Okay, and also one more thing, interesting thing, like you can see here all the projects also. You can see you can change some settings also in v0. You explore better also v0. Okay, don't buy other big account, or don't go with. See, I have $4 credits now, and I'm using all of this database and all this SQL. Whenever any conversation will happen, it will store here. Okay, so today we have discussed all these front end, back end clients, how the things will work, how the opens. Okay, same thing here. If you will see here, we are passing here. If you will see in the code, somewhere chat, I saw here. If you will see your systems, okay, somewhere we are passing turbo. See, GPT-4 models using. Are you able to see? Am I making sense? How your fine tuning is working? Whatever we have explored. So guys, so we are done of today. Okay, we'll discuss. We'll try to wrap up our session, and everybody please learn. Everybody please share on public. Learning is nothing. We can build a lot of things, but if you are not learning and building and sharing in the public, there will be not much more growth. Even though you are looking for jobs, even though you are building your own product, every day please build, learn less, build more. Showcase on, LinkedIn. You can tag me also, I will also check, I will also comment if anything you have to do, any improvements. But don't waste your time on unnecessary things. Better responsive, better this thing, that thing. Learn quickly, build quickly, fail quickly, grow quickly. Like this you can do. And to be very frank, like learn more than learning, build more, make more your hand dirty, like in the AI space. So this will be the main your agenda. The more you will make your hand dirty in coding, okay, you will be better. If I will do everything, if I will fix this thing now, maybe you might not learn. So what I'm trying to say, learn more, understand ChatGPT, give the issue to ChatGPT. Okay, don't waste more token in V0 also. Every AI tool has free credits. Learn more, showcase the things, build more. Okay, build more, showcase on communities, showcase on LinkedIn, share every day whatever you are building. And I have updated all the previous session also, task also. So please go and explore also this thing if you have missed any classes. Okay, and every day try to build your own logic, don't copy me. Randomly I got some idea, even though I don't prepare before coming to the classes session. I don't prepare. So every day, please build, learn, showcase in the public. Thanks and all the best, everybody, and you join. And yeah, all the best. I'm hoping you enjoyed today's session, guys.